In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a good-looking PowerPoint in Microsoft 365. We'll walk through the essentials to create slides that look clean, professional, and easy to follow, using tools built right into PowerPoint. Start by opening PowerPoint and either choosing a template or starting with a blank presentation. Templates are a great head start because they come with coordinated colors, fonts, and layouts. If you go blank, that's fine too. You'll still create a consistent look with the next steps. Head to the Design tab and explore Themes. Themes control the overall color scheme, font pairings, and background styles. Pick one that suits your topic and audience, then try its color variants for subtle changes. Look for high contrast between text and background to keep everything readable, especially if you'll present on a projector or in a bright room. Next, build your structure with Home, then New Slide, and choose layouts that match your content. Use a title slide to introduce your topic, and then select layouts like Title and Content or To Content to organize information without crowding it. Let the layout guide you. It helps maintain consistent spacing and hierarchy across your deck. To make your slides visual, go to Insert to add images, icons, charts, or smart art. Use clear, high-resolution images that support your message. Icons are perfect for simple visual cues and can be recolored to match your theme. Charts are best when you need to show data at a glance. Keep labels legible and avoid over-decorating. Smart art is a quick way to turn lists into diagrams for processes, relationships, or timelines, which instantly makes your points easier to digest. For a polished look with minimal effort, try Design Ideas, also known as Designer. After adding content to a slide, open Design Ideas to see automatic layout suggestions tailored to what's on the slide. Pick the option that frames your content best. It's a fast way to get balanced spacing, aligned elements, and a professional composition without manual tweaking. Keep your text minimal and readable. Aim for short phrases rather than full sentences, focusing on one key idea per slide. Choose clean fonts that are easy to read and stick with the fonts defined by your theme for consistency. Use size and weight to create clear hierarchy and leave plenty of white space to avoid visual clutter. Finally, apply transitions and animations sparingly. A simple fade transition is smooth and professional. For animations, use them only to reveal or emphasize key items, and keep timing quick and consistent. Follow these steps, and your PowerPoint will look polished, modern, and ready to impress.